Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the tech world, 5G. You've probably heard about 5G in relation to faster internet speeds and improved mobile connectivity. But did you know that 5G is also transforming IT operations across industries? That's right. This fifth-generation wireless technology is not just about faster browsing, it's also revolutionizing the way businesses operate. So how exactly is 5G changing the game for IT operations? Let's take a look at one key insight: increased efficiency. With 5G, businesses can say goodbye to slow and unreliable internet connections and hello to lightning-fast speeds and low latency. This means faster data transfer, quicker response times, and improved overall efficiency. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, 5G has the potential to streamline your IT operations and boost productivity. But it's not just about speed. 5G also brings with it the power of edge computing. This means that data processing and storage can now happen closer to the source, reducing the need for extensive and expensive data centers. This not only saves money, but it also allows for real-time data analysis and decision-making, leading to more agile and responsive IT operations. And with the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, where countless devices are connected and generating massive amounts of data, 5G is the key to managing and utilizing this data efficiently. Now you might be wondering, what does this mean for different industries? Well, the possibilities are endless. In healthcare, 5G can enable remote surgeries and real-time monitoring of patients. In manufacturing, it can improve supply chain management and increase production efficiency. And in transportation, it can power autonomous vehicles and smart traffic systems. The list goes on and on. But it's not just about the industries that we know and recognize. 5G has the potential to create entirely new industries and business models. With its unprecedented speed and connectivity, 5G can enable innovations that were previously impossible. Just like how 4G paved the way for ride-hailing services and streaming platforms, 5G is expected to bring about a whole new wave of disruptive technologies. As a tech-savvy audience, I'm sure you're already excited about the possibilities of 5G. But what can you do to prepare for this transformation? Well, the first step is to stay updated and informed. Keep an eye out for the latest developments and advancements in 5G technology. And if you're in the IT industry, it's crucial to upskill and stay ahead of the game. Fastlane is your global IT training partner, providing top-notch courses and certifications to help you stay on top of the latest tech trends. So there you have it, the key insight on how 5G is transforming IT operations across industries. Keep learning, keep growing, and embrace the power of 5G. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.